Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Argentine professional tennis player competing on the ATP Tour. He has won 3 ATP singles titles and reached his career-high singles ranking of world number 11 in June of 2018. But how do you go about pronouncing his name? Since he's from Argentina, South America, but his name is of German origin, there's going to be at least 3 different ways of saying his name. In English, his name is normally pronounced as Diego Schwartzman. Diego Schwartzman is how it is said in English because Schwarz is said like this in English, but this word means black in German, and in German it is normally pronounced as Schwarz. Therefore in German his name would be pronounced as Schwartzman. But because Diego speaks Spanish as a native language, he pronounces his own name himself as Schwartzman, rolling the R like the Spanish do. Diego Schwartzman. That's how he says it. But which pronunciation is correct, I don't know. Let us know in the comments. I would adopt the one he uses. But here are more videos on how to pronounce more names of famous tennis players whose pronunciations aren't exactly obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.